Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. All right, I got two cruise news stories for you today. I got a kind of a sad one, especially if you love those older cruise ships that are out there. And I have a pretty interesting one that involves some new technology from Carnival Cruise Lines that I think could be very beneficial to cruisers. But let's jump into our first story here. With a former Norwegian Cruise Line cruise ship, well, as of this past Wednesday, June the 1st, she has officially been beached in Turkey to be scrapped. So beginning way back in 1988, she initially began service as the Norwegian Seaward. But in 1997, she had a name change. She was renamed to the Norwegian Sea and sailed for Norwegian Cruise Lines for a total of 17 years before being sold to Star Cruises, where again she was renamed to the Superstar Libra. So I'm just a little curious, did anybody ever in their time cruising ever sail on this particular ship, especially when she was a Norwegian ship? Does anybody have any memories of this particular cruise ship? Let me know in the comments below. I'm just curious to know, as we're starting to see some of these older cruise ships leaving service. You know, we're seeing a lot of Carnival's fantasy class ships leaving service. The older ones are going away, but a lot of these older cruise ships have a very large fan following. So I'm curious to see if anybody has ever sailed on this one. Now let's jump on over to Carnival Cruise Lines and some new technology they're releasing. And this is specifically for folks that have food allergies. And I'm sure if you have a specific kind of allergy and you go down into the buffet line and you see all of the different types of foods, there could be some foods there that you're not familiar with, you've never tried before. And of course, they don't list the ingredients. And if you have a specific food allergy, you may be a little concerned about, hey, what can I eat? What can I not eat? What is safe for me? What is not safe for me? And normally what you have to do is ask a crew member, hey, does this item contain this in it? I need to know because I have a food allergy. And with all of the food, whether it's on the main dining menu or let's say in the buffet, it is definitely a concern for those that have food allergies to know what is in it. Well, Carnival has come up with an answer that I think is pretty interesting, and they're calling it the Menu Mate Program. So the way they are describing this is going to be tablets that's going to be in the buffet areas, down by the main dining rooms, and what you can do it yourself, or you can have a crew member do it for you if you don't feel technologically savvy. But you enter in your food allergies into the program, and then the program is going to come up and tell you, okay, these items, they're good. You can eat anything in this particular list right here. It doesn't contain anything that you could be allergic to. Then it will give you a list of items that could be modified to meet your food allergy requirement. So something they could make that they could take a little, take whatever it is out that would affect your allergies, but still allow you to eat the food. And it's going to provide you a list of items that you just need to stay away from. So once you enter your information into the tablet set, then you can get on the buffet line or wherever it is you're eating and know, okay, I can eat this item, I cannot eat this item. If I ask, they can change this item, whichever the case may be. But this sounds like a really good program that's going to help those that have food allergies know what to eat, know what not to eat without putting themselves in any type of risk. Now, Carnival says they are going to be deploying this fleet-wide. So this is something we're going to start to see on all of the Carnival cruise ships. But they did not give an exact date that this would be fully deployed, but they did make it sound like this is something that we're going to start to see right away. So if you have an upcoming Carnival cruise, take a look and see if you see any of these Menu Mate tablets, at the entrance to the main dining rooms, entrance to the buffets. And if you use one and you have getting any experience with one, hey, let us know. We'd be curious to know how well it works. We won't be back on a Carnival cruise ship until October, unless something changes. So I may not get an opportunity to see it before you folks out there get to see it. So if anybody comes across it, definitely let us know. All right, that's going to be your cruise news video for today. If you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. If you have not done so, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so, helps our channel grow and lets you know when any future videos come out. We try to get one out every day for you guys, having some series coming out over the weekend, and we got some new stuff we're going to be putting out next week. So like I said, if you're interested, definitely hit that subscribe button for us. Have yourself a great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.